How to add an instrument to your watch list on Trading 212. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're trying to keep track of your favorite stocks, crypto or ETFs without searching for them every time on Trading 212, then adding an instrument to your watch list is the easiest way to stay organized. First of all, launch open the Trading 212 app and log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the search bar at the bottom center. And in the search icon at the top, go ahead and enter the name of what you want to add. And once you find the search result, go ahead and select the instrument you want to add. And then click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on Add to Watch List. Now, you can go ahead and select the watch list you want this to be added on. I'm just going to tap on my current watch list. So right after you do that, you'll be able to add the instrument to your watch list just like that. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.